acquainted with the youngest in charge. Respected from east to west like he was running the mall. Dictating, they taking orders from no one but God. I know you niggas is broke cause I know what you charge. You niggas wishing for a fountain, miss one in my garage. It's black as Ligari, right next to a platinum Ferrari. You niggas ain't getting money off the rapping, I'm sorry. Fuck the rent, I went and spent 60 large on the hard. Cause where you stay 10,000 square feet, not hardly. Now you see that we ain't able to compete, now are we? Hey, pardon me, I'm giving you the west side story of the A where I stay. Niggas stay down for me, wanna play? Hack your gay niggas lay down for me. And get an order for killers to spray rounds for me. Competition, you ain't considered, you rapping, you bored me. You rapping the A hardly. Must have say more importantly, the king back. Hey, 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 nigga, the king back. Hey man, y'all niggas got me way too fucked up, you understand that? What you need to do here, homeboy, you need to go back and grab I'm serious, you know? You need to get familiar with dope boys and see where all these niggas got their style right now, see where that trap shit came from. Then you need to graduate the motherfucking industries, volume 1 through 3. Then you need to go to trap music. I got locked up for a second. Then grab urban legend, and now to bring you up to speed, nigga. Who knew you could fit on your wrist a whole pound of diamonds? I'm #1 on the list while your clowns are climbing, wishing to be in positions that you found that I'm in. Since you niggas do what I say, I'm world-renowned as Simon. If Jay Hannah or Clay ain't around in time, I deliver a bad day when 4 5s is firing. Catalyst by polices and the firemen sirens. Ambulances ain't gon' stand a chance of reviving. DOA to me, you be deceased upon them arriving. Paramedic, yeah, clearing your flatline silent. You ain't ready for out here, cause the lifestyle violent. Thank you ears, you must be living on Fantasy Island. Make us mad, get your ass wiped out like Tyler. Hit with phone like I went up and drained